Hi students, welcome to teachcode.com. Let's solve this example together, which is you have this example in chapter 3 section 4 in exercises number 1. Area. A rectangle has a length of 2t plus 1 and width square root of t. Find the rate of change in the area. What do you mean by rate of change in the area? It means find a prime. It means derivative of a. Rate of change we mean by a prime. What's the length? 2t plus 1. What's width? Square root of t. Now, to find to find a prime, we need a. What's the area of a rectangle? This is the area of a rectangle. Okay? Don't forget, this is perimeter, but this is area of a rectangle. Now, this is the rule of the area of the rectangle. Do you remember that? The area is equal to length multiply width. Okay? What's the length? 2t plus 1. Multiply this all, multiply by width is square root of t. This is area of this rectangle. Now, how can I find the derivative of this? Do you remember that? A multiply b prime. If we have two functions, how can I find the derivative? A prime b plus b prime b prime a. Or we can say f and g. F and g, derivative of f and g, it will be what? Derivative of first one multiply second plus derivative of second multiply first one. Let's write this. A prime b plus b prime a. Now, what's the derivative of first function? This is the first function. 2t plus 1. The derivative will be 2. And write b, this is b, square root of t plus b prime. What's the derivative of square root of t? It will be 1 over 2 square root of t. What's a? Write this again. 2t plus 1. Don't forget, the denominator of this is nothing. It means 1. Okay? Or you can just leave like this. It's okay. So 2t plus 1 multiply 1. It will be 2t plus 1 again. So now let me write again. 2 square root of t plus, multiply this, it will be 2t plus 1 over 2 square root of t. Don't forget, you can never cancel those number 2 because we have a plus here. Okay, don't forget this. Now, how can this is the answer. Okay, this is a prime, we can say. This is this is the rule. We arrange it. After that, we found that a prime. Now, a prime is equal to this. We can solve more. We can simplify it. How? Let's write as one number. 2 square root of t, multiply this. Why? Because the denominator of this is 1. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, there's nothing. So 2 square root of t multiply the top and bottom. So bottom will be 1 bottom square root of t. 2 square root of t multiply this. 2 multiply 2, 4. Square root of t multiply square root of t. It will be square root of t square. And you can cancel square and square root. So t is remain plus 2t plus 1. Now 4t plus 2t, it will be 6t plus 1 over 2 square root of t. Don't forget this, guys. You can't simplify here because we have this plus. If we have a addition or subtraction, we can simplify the number or the coefficients of the front. That's it all about this lesson. We found the rule for the area of this rectangle when the times is varies, when t is varies. What do you mean by t is varies? For example, this is our rectangle. After 2 seconds, our rectangle becomes little bigger. After 3 seconds, after 2 seconds will be bigger. After 3 seconds it will be more bigger. So it will be bigger, bigger and bigger. So we found a rule for this. After 2 seconds you can put 2 in the place of t. You can put 5. After 5 seconds our rectangle maybe becomes like 15 meter per second. Thanks for watching my video.